going on, guys? Welcome back to the Sneaky Tune channel. Today I'm going to go over how to set up your data logger on the Cobb access port, and let me turn the lights back on here, and how to properly execute a fourth gear data log. This has become a common question for us, and I see a lot of data logs come in that aren't done properly. This is nothing against you guys. I know not everyone is completely familiar with how to do this, so that is why I'm going to make this video. So to start off, we're going to go over the data logging parameters on the Cobb access port, so let's start with that. Okay, so with your access port turned on, you'll click on Gauges. You'll scroll up to this arrow, and that'll light up. And you'll see the option for configure data logging. You're going to click on that. This will bring up a list of all the different parameters that you can data log. Mine's already set up, but all you do is simply just click on it, and the little green bubble per se will light up, and that'll mean you're data logging that parameter. So go through your list, look on here versus the list I send you in the email, and select the parameters that I have selected. If you have something selected that is not on my list, go ahead and unselect it. I don't need it, and the more you have on here that I don't need, it makes it a little bit more difficult for me to comb through. It's not a huge deal, but it does help me out not have to comb through a bunch of stuff that I don't need. So you can scroll through, and as you can see, I already have a bunch of parameters selected for data logging. You're just going to go through and click on them so that you get this little green button lit up here, bubble lit up, and it's super simple. Once you have that selected and set up, just go back to your gauges, and that pretty much sums that up. It's okay for you DSG guys. I see this happen a lot, and what happens is you guys try to start out in fourth gear, go full throttle on the accelerator pedal, and it downshifts a second or third or whatever, and you'll do a pull. I can't have that happen. It's not how I need the data log done. And for you guys that have DSGs that don't have a DSG tune, this is what happens. If you do have a DSG tune, as far as I know, almost all the DSG tunes, if you're in manual mode, if you go full throttle all the way, it won't kick down. It'll just do a pull on whatever gear you're in. So if you guys have a car that doesn't have that bypassed, or you have a stock DSG tune, if you slowly push down this throttle pedal, you'll feel it stop right there. And if you press it a little bit harder, it'll click. So for you guys that have the auto kick down still enabled, or you don't have a DSG tune, when you guys do your fourth gear, put it in manual mode, go to fourth gear at 2500, and push this down till it hits that little button. Don't go any further. If you go further, when you do that click right there, that's the kick down for the transmission. So the easy way to tell or get a feel for this is with the car off, slowly push down with your foot until you feel it hit that button, and if you press it a little bit harder, it'll click through. So when you guys do your data log, start in fourth gear in manual mode, and then go wide open, but only go to that first spot right there. Don't click it all the way through. So what that'll do is it'll hold fourth gear for your full data log, and that'll get me proper data to finish tuning you guys. So little tip there, you manual guys, it doesn't matter. You're in fourth gear, you floor it, doesn't matter. It's going to stay in fourth gear, obviously. So. Alright guys, made a little trip over to Mexico. What we're going to do is we're going to get to fourth gear around 2500 RPMs. You're going to press this little center button right here. You'll see those bubbles start going. That means you're data logging. So what we'll do is we'll get up to fourth gear, and around 2500 RPMs, we'll click this to start, give it a second or so, and then you'll do your wide open throttle pull from 2500 all the way up to 6500. let off, and then go ahead and close the data logger. I'm gonna go ahead and start the data logger, and I'm gonna go full throttle. Data logger off. That's it, guys. That's all I need you to do. All I ask is you guys do this in a safe spot in Mexico. Be mindful of others around you and yourself, of course. And let's have some fun. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.